Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to quickly show you how to create an account on Bandlab. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take is to open your preferred browser, Chrome, Edge or Firefox. Once you're on the browser, just go ahead and visit bandlab.com right here. After that, you will be able to see the sign up button on the website. Click on it and then you just have to fill in this information, your name, your email address, and then you have to create the password. After entering this information, just go ahead and click on sign up and then start creating an account for you. And then you just have to confirm you're not a robot. So I'm going to select all squares with traffic lights. So I'll check this. Once you're done with that, next you just have to add a profile picture and then click on continue. And then you have to select which music genre you are on. So for me, I'm going to select artist and then I'll click on continue. And then I'll just select, I'll just have to tell Bandlab more about myself. So I'm going to select the instrument I use the most. For example, I'm a guitarist, keyboardist, drummer, vocalist. And then I'll select more, or I can just go ahead and click on continue. And then I have to pick my favorite genre, or pick this one, this one, and then I'll click on continue. And then it says who inspires you. So for me, I'm just going to add Kanye West. Yeah. And then I'll select Kanye West right there. I can choose more if I want, so for now I'll just click on done. And that's it. Now you now have an account on Bandlab. So it's very quick and easy, right? So what you just have to go ahead is to create a new project. So you can click on create project, select new, and that's it. So I hope this guide is helpful and you now know how to create an account on Bandlab. If you just give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.